Archuleta, the aggressor, early.
Yeah, good athletic work right there.
He's in trouble.
Archuleta got him with a lead uppercut. That's the same thing Matt Mitrione was having success with against Roy Nelson. A lead uppercut, a very rare strike in MMA.
Boom.
That's a legal kick right there. Good timing by Archuleta. That was legal. He waited until his opponent was standing.
Archuleta, his training partners include Cub Swanson, we mentioned, TJ Dillashaw, Sadawad, Aaron Pico.
Oh, all right.
Now we got it.
Yeah, monkey see, monkey do. I like that.
JL Archuleta looks fresh still.
Yeah, both these guys are moving pretty well. Archuleta doing a much better job at getting position. But Joplin not conceding. He's getting outworked here.
Trying to find an opening. Man, a lot of swelling on the left eye of William Joplin, and that knee was pretty close to landing in that same place, JL.
Oh, very nice. Leg kick by Joplin.
8 days notice. Joplin gonna fight the full 15. They fire away at the very end. And they go the distance.
Outstanding.
How good was that?
All for the winner by unanimous decision, Juan the Spaniard Archuleta.
He has got a bomb in that right hand, and everyone knows about it.
And it comes from a looping fashion as Archuleta looks to close the distance early.
And being precise with what he's doing right now with his pressure on Robbie Peralta.
Oh, man. Flying knee and it landed. Great start for Juan Archuleta.
Doesn't get a lot of credit. A lot of people don't even know who he is, man. He's just there for all the big stars when you see it. It's a little wild, right? That's unpredictable.
Yep. Good start to this battle. Good start to the night. Third and final round. 14-fight win streak on the line for Juan Archuleta. Oh. Boom! Just like that! It is all over!
Watch Juan Archuleta. Watch his feet as he sets. Big overhand right on the chin. Boom! That puts Robbie down. Referee's seen enough. He's not responding. Look at the dip. Boom! That shot right there is going to drop anybody in the 145-pound class. You cannot get hit with an open jaw like that and survive.
Ladies and gentlemen, inside the Bellator cage, it comes to an end officially. 14 seconds into round number 3. The winner by knockout, Juan the Spaniard Archuleta.
And this could ultimately come down to a battle of conditioning. And if Spoon can hold up, we could have a very fun fight ahead of us.
Spoon, again, as you said, he's thrown himself into all these shots. A little unusual.
Good jab.
Yep.
He might have hurt. I think
He did.
On the nose,
He did.
didn't he?
Archuleta senses the opportunity now.
Something happened there. I'm thinking that Archuleta might have broke Spoon's nose. He certainly did some damage to it. Spoon almost eager.
Spoon turning. The left started it, and Archuleta on the verge of finishing it here. Spoon defending himself, but he's not moving. Saw some big-time performances. If you're just joining us on Paramount in our prelim, one of the deepest in Bellator history. And Juan Archuleta putting on a great show and a dominant round number 2. Full marks for Jeremy Spoon just to survive.
Spoon doing a very good job with some kicks. Oh, there, Archuleta caught him again.
It's amazing the percentage of these shots that are getting through.
So I'll have it for the winner by unanimous decision, Juan the Spaniard Archuleta.
Red gloves for Archuleta, blue gloves for Bandejas. Is this a top contender matchup?
No doubt about this is a top contender matchup. Both these guys are two of the best bantamweights there are in the world. And whoever wins this should be looking at getting themselves a shot at that bantamweight title.
I asked him where his confidence level was between this fight and the fight prior, which was his Bellator debut. He goes, I'm always nervous.
He's eaten a couple of shots, but he has been active and he's been hitting those good cartwheel kick by Juan Archuleta. These guys are going after it.
Swinging to the finish. And they go the distance.
For the winner by unanimous decision, Juan, the Spaniard Archuleta.
Trying to find the right angle, the right point of entry. And it's Archuleta taking it again to Dantas. Quick flurry of strikes.
Dantas in my opinion.
Shots, and Archuleta opening up on Dantas.
Archuleta's landed some good strikes. Dantas is making the big,
Level change sprawl by Dantas.
the big mistake of trying to land the big shot.
It's going to be better for both of us because they're going to be fully hydrated and performing at our best. John, earlier today we talked about that. The myth of the size advantage is gets rattled by Archuleta's left hand. How about the mouthpiece out of his mouth there, inside low kick by Archuleta. Not closing the gap, and it's Archuleta again, bringing the fight to Dantas, sticking and moving. Final 10 seconds of the second round in this featherweight fight. And it's Archuleta that comes in with his sorties attacks and then backs out. What a right hand! A walk-off KO by the Spaniard, Juan Archuleta! Oh my God!
Take a look at this shot. You see it. Dantas throws the kick. Archuleta blocks, comes with the hook. Boom! Right on the button. Puts him down. He is out.
Your winner by knockout, Juan, the Spaniard Archuleta.
Lance Palmer in his corner tonight. TJ Dillashaw, part of the training lab. And it's Juan Archuleta looking to strike here on Corrales.
Corrales landing a couple of nice little shots there. He went down, but Juan giving a little tap on the leg, giving him that thought about, I will end up taking you down, going for the takedown. But that's what I love about Juan, though. See, he went for that takedown, but he's willing to separate to land the big shot.
What I like that Juan does is when the takedown becomes too hard, he just abandons it.
Yep.
Henry Corrales started as a Jiu-Jitsu guy, 6-0 with 6 submission victories. He said, I don't think I threw a punch in those first 6 fights, and now you guys are talking about his knockout power. Archuleta, Corrales, kick and a miss. Corrales looking to connect. Archuleta switching his stance back and forth. Big shot. Trying 15 seconds.
To do more.
Yep.
He has landed a couple, but nothing that's going to take the round.
They're going to battle till the finish. The fight will go the distance.
I'll have it for the winner by unanimous decision, Juan, the Spaniard Archuleta.